Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from a Google Pixel device to Motorola Moto G05. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and then hit your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Motorola. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here something pop up and pick one of those connection ways. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad, allow camera access and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive button. Close an ad. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!